Welcome to Allegedly Tarot. Hi everyone. This morning I thought I would come on here with Aggie and ask a few questions about the horacles again. I just wonder if my pendulums get tired of that. Let's just ask. Um, Aggie, do you mind reading about the horacles about Meghan and Harry Markle? Do you mind? Oh, you do. Okay. So, do you like it or not? Do you like it or not? And also, oh, look at that, going to know. Oh, I'm sorry. But if you ask the cards, they probably would say the same sort of thing because they don't like the energy. I'm sure that's what it is. Well, I'm sorry you feel that way, Aggie, but I don't like reading about them either, but I am nosy. So, oh yes, you're going to yes about that. Yes, I am nosy. So, I want to know why was okay. The other day they were on both ends of the the country. Allegedly, apparently, Harry was in New York and Megan was in California, and we just want to know why were they on at the same time? Why was Megan on at the same time as her husband? Can she stand him having the spotlight and not her? No, of course not. And why did she act like a fool? She acted a fool there at that event with Tyler Perry. And it's going to yes. Okay, could you tell us is what did Tyler Perry think? That's what I was the whole time I was looking at that. I was thinking, what in the world does he think? Please let us know. Please spell it out. What did Tyler Perry think about Meghan being at that event? Can you spell it out for us, please? What is the word first letter, please? What's the first word, letter, whatever? What did he think? Um, is it going to be? What did he think about her being there? About Meghan Markle being there? I okay. Give you a kickstart. What did he think about Meghan Markle being there and taking all the? Oh my gosh, she had to stand beside him, get the pictures taken. Oh my gosh, are you saying tea? Are you saying tea? Mm-mm-mm. And are you? Is that okay? I ask you why or what did he think about Meghan Markle being there? What's the next letter then? I'm kind of scared to ask. Oh my goodness. Are you saying C? Okay. And Guys, this is changing on its own. I am not doing this. I've got a huge, I've got a huge, that's an H. I have a really big ringing in my ear right now. Did you see what it spelled out? B-I, let's just say beesh. Are you serious? No, you're not my potty mouth pendulum. That's Diana. Okay. So that's what he really thinks of her? Well, apparently so. And if you I did see that split second look. Did you guys see it? The get off the stage. Oh my gosh. Does she think why did she do that? I mean, did she crash the place or what? Did she crash it? Yes. I did hear that it was a pay to play thing. So, wow. Was this to overshadow Harry as well? Yes, because they are not together. They're not together at the moment, are they? Are you telling me they are together? Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta ask, guys, because all of my other pendulums and tools have said they are not together. Let's just ask, um, are Harry and Meghan still living together? Um, that's going to know. You know what? I was wondering about that, about being together. Are they in contract still with each other? That's what I want to know. Yes, because it's a business contract. That's why. But can they stand each other? I can't imagine living with either one of them. But are they able to stand each other? That is a no. Okay. Yeah, I was just wondering about what Tyler Perry was thinking about Megan because, uh, maybe, I mean, I don't like any of those people, like the Hollywood elite, so to speak. And you all know what just came out about Diddy and all that. And I just can't. So if she wants to love up on all of that, then let her have it. This shows what a nasty, disgusting person she is as well. So this was also, and I'm going to ask about does Tyler Perry hate the Royals? Does Tyler Perry hate the Royals? Wow, look at that. So and to me, that's another thing that they probably had agreement or something so that they could overshadow. Because if you guys look, I mean, yeah, people were talking about the state visit and everything, and um, I know they still are talking about it, but when Megan does something so stupid, and I think she comes up with this stuff in her head to see how stupid can I act that people will talk about me because she's irrelevant. And any news is some news about her. She's in the limelight, in the spotlight, whatever. And is that how she feels? It doesn't matter, good or bad. It's news. She's being talked about. Is that right? Yes. And even though people dislike her, yes, they do. Um, at least she's still being talked about. Yeah. I just wanted to know a few little things like that. And also, there's one there's some other things I want to know, but I'll ask that next time. So thank you for joining me and being nosy with me, my nosy friends. Shame on you all. But we have fun on this channel, and I appreciate you all. And thank you for being here with me. And if you like my content, please subscribe and hit that like button. And I will see you in the next one.